ça va?
Alors?
How are things with you today?
Oui. La bibliothèque. Règle.
Poisson?
Non. Pas problème. Are you having fun with the cards?
This is what I do, you know. I sit here, I shuffle cards, I play with people on the streets, I have a nice, crazy kind of bohemian time.
Okay.
No, it is. You?
I am a French businessman. I do business and things.
Which part of France are you from?
La voiture.
You live in your car?
Yeah, from my car. Jambon? No. Pardon.
You live in your car?
Oui, I am a rich and powerful businessman. I run all of the casinos in France.
You do?
Oui. C'est très bien.
What are you doing around here then?
I am finding out about my punters, you know, what they do on the streets, who comes into my casino, how I can get more people in there.
Okay. Pick a card.
Okay,
Look at it. Don't let me see.
okay,
Okay. Put it in your back pocket.
okay.
Close your eyes. Put your hands in the hair. I have not moved. It is your card.
With this kind of skill.
5 euros.
What? With this kind of skill, maybe I could offer you a job in one of my casinos.
Possible?
As, my accent varies. To all of the international businessmen who come.
Well, I expect so. I would like that. How much do you pay me?
5.
500.
Sweet. Oui. 10.
Birthday.
Oui.
Here. Where I come?
To any of them, really, maybe my flagship casino in the center of Paris by the Eiffel Tower. You know, you come and you stand in the entrance hall and you do this when they come in.
It's fine. I'll see you this evening.
Yes.
Bien.
Au revoir.
À bientôt.
Ciao.